Toyota expands its lineup today with the launch of the 2025 Crown Signia. The new hybrid electric SUV from the car manufacturer goes on sale following summer season, signing up with the Crown car in the firm's United States portfolio. The only powertrain offered is Toyota's hybrid electric car system that sets a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. It has 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sporting Activity. Eco optimizes battery array and gas efficiency, while Sport sharpens the throttle response. An EV setting permits the Crown to travel on just power at low speeds for brief distances. The system generates 243 horsepower and returns 36 miles per gallon integrated. Toyota makes its digital all-wheel drive standard on the model, with a rear-mounted electrical motor powering the back wheels. It can tow up to 2,700 extra pounds, and it has a continuously variable transmission. Inside the cabin, the chauffeur looks at a 12.3-inch customizable digital instrument collection, while an additional 12.3-inch display on the dash serves as the infomercial system. 8-way power chauffeur and guest seats are typical. The center console features an upright cordless charger and 3 USB-C ports. Rear seat guests get 2 ports, 2 devoted air vents, 2 cup owners, and seat back pockets. Heated and aerated seats are offered. Toyota will certainly supply the Crown in 2 trims, XLE and Limited, with various wheels and seating products. The XLE trips on multi-spoke, 19-inch black accented two-tone alloys with fabric and SofTex-trimmed seats. The Limited is larger, 21-inch dark gray metallic alloy wheels and double-stitched leather-trimmed seats. The Crown's indoor features bronze-finished trim on the control panel, steering wheel, and center console. The tunes pump with a 6-speaker stereo on the XLE and an 11-speaker JBL cost setup in the Limited, which has a subwoofer. When down, the 60/40 second row fold-flat seats offer a 6.5-foot-long freight area available using the hands-free power liftgate. Toyota will use the SUV in 5 shades: Storm Cloud, Finish Line Red, Oxygen White, Black, and Bronze Age. Inside seats colors are Saddle Tan or Black, available in both grades. The new design comes standard with Toyota Safety and Security Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision with pedestrian discovery, lane departure sharp with guiding help, full-speed array dynamic radar cruise ship control, road indication assist, automatic high beam of lights, and more. An optional advanced innovation plan with lane adjustment assist and scenic sight display is readily available for the Limited.